Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Hub Commerce by Monica, your one-stop guide for mastering accounting and finance simple way. So, here imagine a small business owner looking confused with stack of invoices, receipts and financial reports. Running a business means dealing with money every day, right? But how do we keep track all of it without getting lost in numbers? Thinking right. So that's where the accounting cycle comes into the scene. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or just curious about how business manages money, understanding the accounting cycle is must. So stay with me till the end of the video. We'll master the accounting cycle together. So here, what is accounting cycle? It refers to the sequence of accounting procedures which are required to be repeated in the same order during each accounting period. Okay, so, what is accounting cycle? It refers to sequence of accounting procedures. Okay, I repeat here, sequence of accounting procedures. These accounting procedures should be repeated in the same order. Okay, we need to repeat the accounting procedures in the same order during each accounting period. Right, now we'll see the steps clearly what accounting cycle does. Right? So here comes the first step in the accounting cycle, that is journal. So, here recording transactions in the books of original book of entry. So, all the business transactions, whatever we have done, those transactions should be recorded as an entry in journal as and when they takes place. So, after writing everything, after entering everything in the journal, we need to transfer them to the appropriate ledger accounts and then balance. So once the journal entry is made, then all the entries should be transferred to ledger accounts and then it has to be balanced. So first step is journal and then second is ledger. So once the ledger is done, the next step is preparation of trial balance. Okay, the next step is preparation of trial balance. So, what is trial balance? It is a statement where all the balances in the ledger accounts are transferred. Okay, so whatever the balance we get in the ledger are to be transferred to a statement called trial balance. Right, so first step is journal, second is ledger, and then third is trial balance. So now the fourth step is this trial balance should lead to the preparation of financial statements. So here we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So this whatever we have seen is the accounting procedure. It has to be repeated in the same order during each accounting period. So all this cycle refers to accounting cycle. So first it is journal, then ledger, then trial balance, and then preparation of financial statements. Hope you all understood what is accounting cycle. If you really like this video, subscribe to Learning Hub Commerce by Monica. Also hit bell icon so that you will never miss any concept. Do comment if you want me to post any topic. Happy learning.